Hi friends, this is Shinvas here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel Cars Info. Friends, before getting into the video, it's a small request. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video related to an automobile, you're not missing it. And also share it to your friend circle. On the eve of Republic Day, Tata Motors have unveiled its flagship SUV, that is Tata Safari, to the Indian market. And the Safari history goes back in the year 1998 when it was first introduced to the Indian audience, and it was quite popular among the Indian audience for its tall boss stance, for the powerful engine and the true off-roading capability. Now in the 2021 Safari, Tata Motors have upgraded the Safari, and in this video we'll see what are the features that has been upgraded by Tata Motors in the new Safari 2021. Friends, coming to the platform of Tata Safari, previous Safari used to build on a body on frame chassis. Now the new Safari has been built on a new platform, that is Omega D8 architect, that has been derived from the Land Rover D8. That is the same platform that has been already used in their existing product, that is Tata Harrier. If you go into the abbreviation of Omega, that goes like this: Optimum Modular Efficient Global Advanced Architecture. So when you see the Harrier and the Safari, they look both identical from the front, but when you see the dimension of it, Safari is longer by 63mm, width has been remained the same, height Safari is taller by 80mm. Now coming to the engine of it, engine or the heart of the Safari, it is using the same 2-liter Cryotic. Getting into the engine specification of it, it is having 1956cc, power is 170 PS at the rate 3750 rpm, torque around 350 Nm at the rate 1750 to 2500 rpm range. Coming to the transmission of it, it is using a 6-speed torque converter that has been sourced from Hyundai, that has been already used in their own product portfolio, that is Tucson, and also having manual transmission of 6-speed. Now coming to the seating option, Harrier is to come with a 5-seater option. Now in Safari it is coming with 6-seater option and the 7-seater option. For the middle row they are giving a boss mode. It is nothing but a captain seats it is providing to its customer for the space and the comfort it is providing in this Safari. That has been the legacy of the Safari when you compare to the older version of it. Now when you see the feature of late, Tata Motors vehicles are quite stylish because they have a new Impact 2.0 design. So when you see the Harrier designing front fascia and the Safari, they look both identical. But when you see the Safari grille, it has been added with a chrome accent with a tri design, so it looks more premium. When coming to the projector setup, it is coming with LED DRL with the LED projector headlamps with auto headlamps, and also comes with a follow me home function, and the fog lamps having a cornering function. So that is the when you see the projector setup of the Safari. Now when you see the car from this side, the instant thing that will be attracting is its 18-inch machine cut alloy wheel. It looks and gives the car more premium and aggressive. When you get inside the car, it comes with a new white, they are termed as a marketing as a oyster white color leather seats. And coming to the drive modes, it is providing with city, eco and sports mode. As there is no 4-wheel drive option has been provided in this Safari, as Safari is known for pure off-roader, but it is provided with a terrain management system with a function like normal, rough and wet mode. So based on your requirement, you can shuffle with the modes. Now coming to, as it's all now more inclined toward the tech savvy, so it is coming with IRA, Intelligent Real-Time Assistant Car Connect features. And first time in the Tata Motors product portfolio, they are coming with electronic parking brake with auto hold function, and they have marketed their panoramic sunroof as a majestic sky dome. And when you see the exterior color option of Safari, it is coming with a 3-color option, that is I'll be mentioning on the screen, kindly look into it. Now it is using the same infotainment system that is coming in the Harrier, which is 8.8-inch floating dashboard type infotainment system with the facility of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto function, and it is also having a 9 JBL speaker with acoustic control by JBL. So the obviously Tata Motors, any vehicle you take, the audio quality is best in class, even the lower or even compared to the upper class. That's simply the unique selling point of the Harrier, and it's going to be the Safari. Now coming to the Tata Motors, always known for of late for the safety packages they are providing to the customers. So coming to the safety package, like certain features they are giving as a standard, which means they're coming from the base variant. Like coming to the braking system, it is coming with ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, corner stability program, brake disc piping, and they're also providing 14 modes of electronic stability program, or the ESP modes, with other functions like hill hold, hill descent, isofix child anchor, and also auto IRBM mirror. These are the safety packages, and also it is provided with a 4 disc. So when you compare to the Harrier, these are the certain features they have upgraded in the Safari. As I get the vehicle, I'll have a proper walk around of the vehicle. Till then, this is the information I would like to share it to your friends, and I hope this video will be very informative to you. And thanks for watching this video, and be safe. Jai Hind.